Go! Who is it? Chef Pepe?
Too much wine.
Where have you been? Where have you been?
I'm sorry. We're doing a review. I've been around the block.
Sorry guys, it looks like you had too much wine again. Not the first. It's not going to be the last time either. Hey guys, Cookie Star 26 or Come On Dragon here. And I am joined with...
Me,
Master Blaster 69.
I know my channel.
Whatever, you're such a fucking sellout.
Let's keep it down.
Right. And we have Chef Pepe back from the dead. Well, he's not really dead. He's just he had too much. He's a little drunk. Why are you drunk?
My spaghetti left me.
You mean your wife?
No, my spaghetti left for another chef.
All right, we're gonna do a little reaction video. Me, Master Blaster 69, and Chef Pepe.
Yes.
This is the What the Fuck Did I Just Watch compilation 2.
Now I'm seeing it. Yeah.
He's seen the first one, but this is part 2. And I'm going to watch the rest of the video with him. Started it over because I don't remember where I was. Ready?
Alright.
3, 2, go. Chef Pepe, stop caressing my fucking arm. Oh.
What am I new spaghetti?
Scratching in his ass.
I'm not a lady.
Oh, nasty ass nigga. Look, then he smell it. Oh,
He can be
nasty
yours.
ass bitch.
No.
Look at that.
Oh, by the way, prepare to say what the fuck a lot. Damn, Daniel.
What is that?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
How did that happen?
Bugging out, I smoked so much weed, I thought this shit was real.
There's something Chef Pepe would have seen. Childhood ruined.
It's nothing like, oh no.
Those were his biceps.
Why do they like that?
Hell if I know. Steroid abuse or something? Steroid worked the same job since he was like a fucking fetus.
Yeah, she massaging me feet. Oh, my shit look like that.
Why is his feet black? Pitch black.
This is actually kind of cool. You got anything to say, Chef Pepe?
That is scary.
Yes.
My brothers
What the
or
fuck?
sisters, I don't know which one they are.
Looks like a bad
is
makeup
supposed
job.
to make you look pretty,
Looks
not
like
turn
you.
you into
That's
a
what
potato
is your
that is
ex-wife.
trying to look like a rainbow.
She is the finest I made her myself.
This is what happens when you are in love with a sofa and you want him to surf on your face,
Looks like something
so
Justin
you
Bieber
put
would
waves
wear.
on your face. And there is many of them.
Oh my god.
Damn, the sofas are taking all our pretty girls. And the guys too. You can keep the guys. I don't care about those. Next.
What the?
Is that chalkboard?
I don't know.
Probably should have been my question when I first saw this.
Maybe she is a teacher who uses her face as a blackboard to write with chalk on it so that she can teach children.
Pretty cool. It's a sharpening current. Wait, what?
Thought I heard something.
Oh,
Really
on the
good.
west side of
Yeah, see humidifier. I'll change it when this video is over.
What are they making?
I don't know.
This nigga about to do a wheelie in the wheelchair. Oh my god.
Oh, this is where I left off in the video. It was just too what the fuck for me, so I just stopped.
That's just dangerous.
Kind of cool.
If there was a pool in the back, yeah.
I guess
Actually,
going
rhymed.
on.
Cool pool.
She gonna throw up now, or what's going on?
Nothing. That's it.
Probably.
She's doing different places.
Seriously. What is she doing? I swear to God, she's high as balls right now.
Oh my gosh, she must be.
Must be like the pee-pee.
She's knocked her heart out.
What?
You have too much
She's
wine,
like
dude.
crying in the fucking side. What is she doing?
Did you knock her out?
He was an idiot when he's drunk. What do you want me to do?
Oh my god.
He's
He's gonna
gonna.
die.
That's how many broken collar. Holy fucking shit! What the fuck? How many cats do you need?
The queen cat baby.
I actually saw an episode of Dr. Phil where this woman had like 15 cats.
That's not as much as that.
Yeah, but it was ruining her marriage.
I'm gonna do this around like the first cat. Which is crazy. Oh my god.
What the fuck? Okay, the rest of this video I have not seen, so just...
They need some serious dental work.
No way, that's gonna need plastic surgery.
Look, a shark.
It's like something out of fucking Chernobyl.
Is it like a clown thing where like so many people drive the car?
Probably.
What the fuck? What?
I must be the better masturbates all day long. See if you know, see if you can guess that reference.
I don't know.
I know. We watched it.
What the fuck is happening?
They're headbanging to something. Jesus Christ. She must do a lot of like ton jobs.
This is from like Evil Dead.
Definitely a ton.
Is that a monkey? That's adorable. Oh
Now that's adorable.
my god, that's a tiger.
Of course.
Oh, what is it?
And I thought my beardy was cute.
Get it.
Actually, no, I take it back. My beardy's cuter.
That's not a good idea. I always have nightmares that in floods I would like go in the water and then get like an epidermic needle stuck in my feet.
Давай сразу с экстремальных начинайте. А, да, размяться? Ну давайте. Там.
Oh, me tight. What? My bad.
I like my arms to ride my bicycle. Want to ride my bike.
And then you get like hit or robbed or something like that. Sketchy.
Don't tell me she's gonna forget to close her door.
put the gas in there. What a dumbass.
She must have been blonde.
I think she's old. Also just forgot.
Yeah, probably forgot the stove on. Which is
Yeah.
very unsafe. Don't do that at home, kids.
Oh, shit, is that monkey running a bed?
Yeah, I think so. Is that like a sea lion or a walrus?
That looks like
Where the hell's the tusks?
must have been a female.
Hell yeah, brother!
That's actually cool.
Flintstone.
I think that was it. Yeah, that was the end of the video. Well,
It was pretty good. I give it 10 Michael Jacksons out of 5.
Freddy Krueger's.
Yes. What do you think, Chef Pepe?
He slept throughout West
I need more beers and wine.
You had too much already, dude. So that's gonna do it for this video. Let us know. Chef BP, stop it.
I eat souls. Shit.
So that's gonna do it for this video. If you guys want us to do another reaction like this, let us know in the comment section down below. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and Snapchat.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to Master Blaster 69. Subscribe to the Cookie channel. Become a part of Cookie Army.
Yeah, don't
Hit-
do drugs. Yeah.
Oh yeah, obviously, don't do drugs. Don't leave the stove on fire.
Don't
Just
get
don't.
drunk like Chef Pepe.
Yeah, I feel bad for him. His wife left him, so
Yeah,
we're gonna give him some help. So
yeah.
that's gonna do it for this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the bell for all your notifications. We'll see you next time. Good night.
Bye.